Hey, so just a quick tip. If you happen to have Zhiyun, or however they pronounce it, Smooth Q, I was going to try this ages ago, but I stopped using the gimbal just because I didn't have much to do with it. They actually have a hard limit on the rotation that you can do on this axis. And if I thought that it was basically there's a plastic piece here that was interfering. So you can see that plastic bit there, and there's an accompanying one in there, and they were hitting, and it was actually like making a noise when I hit, so I figured it was probably just like a software limit. So I cut that down, and I was actually right. So now with my gimbal, instead of having the sort of mostly good rotation on that range, sorry, I have to juggle this. Now I can actually go, so it will usually stop right about there. Now I can actually go all the way around. So now you can do full 360 degrees in this sort of rotation, which is good if you want to use it for like a crane shot. Some weird effects on this phone for recording. I don't know what that is. But yeah, now you can basically go from like a high position all the way down to an extreme low position, or, you know, vice versa. So yep, just wanted to share that. It would probably work on the tilt axis too. Turn it off. That would probably work on this this motor's axis, this one on the back here, but my phone actually hits that. So not useful for me, but if you had the GoPro adapter, then that would be useful.